We are at 6 Monica Boulevard in Savannah. If you are relocating here and looking for a rental, this is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And the greatest part is it's 7 minutes to Hunter Army Airfield. So if you are PCSing here, relocating with the military, 7 minutes. You're also only a few minutes to downtown Savannah. Hunter Army Airfield is around the corner on Abercorn Street that has all the shopping, and downtown historic Savannah is only a little bit farther than that. So let's go take a look. It might be a little bit loud. The lawn care people are outside, but this is your front door. This has the cool brick, just like the exterior that they painted white, so it looks really pretty. And then it goes into the dining room. Nice natural light. You can see the lawn care company out there. And it goes around to the living room there and kitchen there, but the backyard is nice too. You have a storage closet here, coat closet, another one here. This is the HVAC stuff. So then you have 2 bedrooms next to each other. They have redone a lot. It's so cute in here. The floors are really nice neutral, like a mix between a tan and a gray. They're great. So no carpet in the whole house. And then this is a king size bed, so it is a good sized bedroom, you can tell. They have ceiling fans, and this room has 2 closets. And a pretty big linen closet there, and your bathroom. So there's a skylight, so it brings in natural light, but they have renovated little things like cabinet, new mirror, but the shower is like vintage mint green, and I really actually love it. But same flooring all throughout, which is so nice. And this is the primary bedroom. You also have 2 closets in here. Ceiling fan, a few windows, and then your bathroom. Again, newer lights, newer vanity. It's all freshly painted, all the same flooring throughout. And your shower. Also a window in here. I like all the natural light everywhere. But nice neutral walls. They have really taken care of this home and upgraded it. So both these doors have pocket doors, which I love pocket doors. So you could close off the kitchen there if you wanted. You could close off the dining room there if you wanted. There's pocket doors on each one. Small space for a table. And your double sink looks out over into the backyard, which we will go take a look at. And then into the living room, there's ceiling fans almost in every room, even the kitchen. And your living room. It's actually pretty big. Some of these, I keep saying it's actually good size. It's actually pretty big, but some of these older Savannah homes have very teeny rooms, so that's important. And even though it's separate rooms and divided, it still feels open because you have doorways into each one. And then you have this fireplace, which is just decorative, but it's really pretty. Decorative at this point anyway. It was used at some point. So let's go take a look out back. The lawn company is still doing their work, so just gonna do this quickly. This is the screened-in porch. They have done some work and painted the ceiling, but all of this they have repaired. This is all gonna be screened in. So this will be a screened-in porch. This will be painted the same white color, I believe, as the ceiling. And then you can see this great backyard. So it is fenced in. There is a shed back there. They have a little garden going over there. And then the laundry room is actually attached to the garage. So it is right here. You can get to it from the back here or through the garage. All right, the driveway is good size. It's a 1-car garage with the laundry in the back. Well taken care of, landscaping, brick exterior. A lot of the cars are in the road because once again, the landscapers are here with the beautiful oak trees. And they're doing some work painting next door, looks like, fixing that house up. But you have the divider of a lot of bushes and all this parking. This is a ton of off-street parking. You can see the truck is there. You could easily fit another car behind it there and at least 3 here, plus the garage. So lots of parking. Let us know if you want to come take a look.